Okay, I'm going to show you how to measure the vertical motion of a cam using Autodesk Inventor. So here is a pear-shaped cam with a nominal diameter of 1.5 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new 2D sketch on the front face of the cam. This could be a hex cam, it could be a concentric cam, it could be a pear-shaped cam like this one, any cam. So start 2D sketch right here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a series of lines at different angles to measure 360 degrees of distance. If you have a circular cam, 90, 45, 180, 225, those are 135, 220, those angles should work, every 45 degrees. If you have a hex cam, you need to measure to each flat and each point of the hex cam, which is going to be 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and so forth. You want to make sure that you measure the maximum vertical movement of this cam. So we're going to start by drawing our lines. So always start in the very center of the cam. So first I'm going to do a 90 degree and I'm going to go right up to the edge of the cam. I'm going to hit OK because I only want to draw one line at a time. Draw another line. It's not snapping to 45 degrees for me, so I'm going to hit Tab, 45 degrees, and then I'm going to tab back because I need to make sure it goes to the edge of the cam. As soon as it's lined with the edge of the cam, create that line, right click, hit OK. Continue this every 45 degrees or so, or 30 degrees. If you're doing a hex cam, right click, OK, I'm done with that line. Next line, start at the center. It's snapping to 45 degrees for me now, so I don't need to hit tab. Right click, OK. Keep going all the way around. It's snapping to 90 degrees for me, that's good. Let's see if this snaps to 135. It does, there it is. Okay. Right click, OK. Another line. So draw 8 lines or more if you're doing a hex cam. Okay. Snaps to 135 for me. Very good. Right to the edge. There we go. I have all 8 of my lines. Now I need to use my dimension tool to measure these lines so that I can get the distance. So I click on the line, click off to the side, pull it off. There's my measurement. Hit OK. Do the same thing for each line. Click on the line, click off the line, bring it out. If you get a warning saying this will over-constrain the sketch, just accept it. The sole purpose of these is to get the measurement of those lines. This isn't going to affect the overall cam. Same thing here. Accept the warning. Same thing here. Accept the warning. I skipped one, so I got to do this one right here. You can pull it out where you can see it. Accept it. I already did that one, so I'm going to click this one. Pull it out where you can see it. Accept this line. Accept. And finally, we already got that line, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me get this one. 8. There we go. And now you can finish sketch if you want to. You don't need to. I would take this data right here and fill in your chart in your notebook so that you can put it into your Google Sheets to chart the vertical motion. Thank you.